Hey everybody, it's Mike Marston again with Unity Intercom, and this is a quick guide for new and existing users on your settings that you should know in the field that will save your life. Okay, upper left-hand corner, we're going to click on Settings. This is the most important thing. If you are experiencing chopping, or people are telling you they can't hear you, or you're having trouble hearing the producer, you're going to want to mess with your audio buffer. By default, it's 140 milliseconds. That is it's fast, it's on the lower side. Increasing your audio buffer is going to give the app permission, and it's going to be a little slower, basically. If you're in a bad cellular area or you're having difficult Wi-Fi, increasing this audio buffer is going to make a huge difference. People are going to hear you, you're going to hear them. That's the first thing to do in the first sign of trouble, increase your audio buffer. And we're going to scroll a little bit further down to my next thing I want to point out. This is called the continuous retry connections option. This is telling the app, hey, if I lose connection, if I go through a tunnel, never stop trying to reconnect to the Unity Intercom server. So the app, it's in your pocket, it's never going to stop trying to connect. Now we're going to transition to the volume settings at the very bottom. We're going to swipe up or click volume at the bottom. We're going to go into our main volume settings. We're going to click on other in the upper right. It's kind of subtle. It's the yellow word other. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to incoming audio boost. If you are having trouble hearing people on Unity Intercom, it's not loud enough in your ear, there's a lot of background noise, all kinds of things. This is going to digitally exaggerate the audio that comes into your ears. It's going to make it a whole lot louder, all the way to the point of distortion. So 0 dB is full volume, but sliding that up is going to increase it digitally. Next up, we're going to mess with the mic noise gate. That's the next one down. This is people that like to double tap to go into Vox mode. This is the point at which the microphone turns on. This is your mic noise gate. Left is more sensitive, right is less sensitive. You have to double tap to Vox. You have to go into Vox mode to play with the setting. Now the mic noise gate is activated. Sliding to the right makes it more sensitive. Sliding to the left is less sensitive. Talk into the app and trigger that little red circle to know that the microphone is basically being triggered. That's how you mess with your microphone noise gate for Vox mode. And last is the general microphone level. Slide to the right to make your level louder. Slide it to the left to make it quieter. 0 dB is full volume. Thank you, everybody.